Let's preview Universal Stella Nova Resort. Here you'll see two queen beds that welcome you into this standard room. By the nightstand, you will see plenty of charging areas, including a wireless pad, USB-A and USB-C. And that welcomes you out to this galaxy wallpaper behind. There is a little curtain here for like a privacy wall that has some glass there if you want to open that up for more light into the bathroom area. Here in the bathroom, you'll see some storage areas with hand towels, washcloths, toilet paper, nice full mirror. Then you go into the toilet room with the shower. So you have your toilet, the shower with like a rainfall water head. There is some soaps as well as shampoo and conditioner. It is interesting to note that the faucet is on the opposite side. Then you'll come in back to the bedroom area where you'll have a nice couch. There is a little desk for you to use. There is plenty of storage underneath as well if you want to unpack your suitcase. Here you'll see the mini fridge or beverage cooler, we should say. It opens up on the right side. Nice storage space for waters or cans of soda, some snacks if you buy any in the parks or such. Over here, you'll have your nice closet to hang up clothes, an ironing board, an iron, a safe as well, and some extra blankets. Hope you guys enjoyed this room tour of Stella Nova Resort here at Universal Orlando Resort. This was a quick room tour, just a little snippet of what you can expect from this room and this resort here at Universal Orlando Resort. This is one of two properties that is located adjacent from Epic Universe, the brand new park. I got my hat on, check that out. So if you guys are looking at going to Epic Universe, definitely contact us. We are the Carpenters with M&M Magical Adventures. So please check out our link tree here to fill out your quote request. No obligation, we'll send it over to you. Might have some follow-up questions to make sure that we quote exactly how you need your trip planned. We do customize our quotes and our concierge services for our clients. So again, I hope you enjoyed this room tour. In the future, we'll have a fuller, in-depth review of this particular room at Stella Nova, as well as the Stella Nova Resort. I'm sure here in the near future, if not Stella Nova, probably over at Luna Nova, and maybe even the Grand Helios, which is going to be the theme park view resort connected right into Epic Universe. So remember to have a great day, and every day is an adventure. We'll see you in the next one.